Hello loyalties, welcome back to the channel. If you would like to see how I created this simple Dollar Tree rustic glam reindeer, then continue to keep on watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright y'all, so all supplies will be listed in the description box and all supplies are purchased from the Dollar Tree. So you see, I will be using these rolling pins. Now you only need one roller pin per reindeer, and I'm using my circle saw to cut them down in half. And then I'm taking those dowels and I am cutting them to form legs for the body, and using 3 of them to form the neck portion of the reindeer. Now I'm showing you that you will need to sand down your edges. You could do it by hand or you could use your electric sander. I use it by hand using the for the dowels, and then I use the electric sander for the body portion of the reindeer. And so y'all, this DIY it wasn't that it was hard, it was just hard because I didn't have all of my tools. So you'll see me using like this right here. I'm using a screwdriver to kind of make a groove for the indentions where the legs and the neck portions will go. But I do recommend, if you do have a drill, electric drill, to use that instead. Now, so I'm going to fill the holes that I have created with the screwdriver and one of my carving knives. And I'm going to stick the dowels that I've previously cut for legs into those indentions with some hot glue. Now you can also add some wood glue, which I do recommend using. I didn't have any on hand, and I'm just pretty much using what I have. It's been a long week for me, and so I just really didn't want to go out to the store because your girl is super tired. I've been dealing with a lot. Most of you already know, and I do appreciate you all for all of those wonderful prayers. She is doing a lot better now. So once you have your reindeer all put together just like this, we're going to work on making the neck portion. And I didn't make an indentation for the neck portion, you guys, because I just did not know how I was going to do that without a drill. So I just kind of just put a glob of glue on the body of it, and then I attached it. And this is how I made the neck. I used those 3 dowels by gluing them together. And that little groove that's on the head portion, I'm just going to stick those dowels kind of in it at a slightly angle, just a slight little slant. And I'm going to hold it there and let it completely dry for about 3 minutes or so. And then I'm going to take these pipe cleaners and I'm going to create some antlers for his ears. Or antlers, I don't know, antlers aren't ears, so I don't know why I said that, but yeah. So you're gonna see me, I'm just twisting them around, and I couldn't find my scissors at the time, so I am using these wire cutters that I use to cut some of the dowels down with. And I am creating some antlers. Now you can make your antlers as big as you want or small as you want. These pipe cleaners I did purchase from the Dollar Tree, and yeah, so you can use any color you want because I wanted mine to be rustic glam. I am using silver accents to decorate my reindeer with. So just keep twisting your pipe cleaners until you get it to the shape that you want your antlers to be. I pretty much was trying to stick with using one pipe cleaner, so you see me kind of like bending it and twisting it and trying to make the base kind of thick. So I kind of folded it over a little bit and try to smooth it down so that it was flat and would be easy for me to hot glue it to the sides of its head, which you will see me do in a minute. Now this is how I put the head on there. Like I said, if you had a drill, you could put a hole in there and you could stick that neck down in there with your wood glue. It will look so much cleaner and neater. But like I said, you guys, I'm using what I have on hand. You get the idea. This is fine for me, but if you want yours to be a lot nice, neater, like without the hot glue showing and all, then please use your drill. so your dowels and all can go deep into the area that you're drilling at, and you could add your wood glue. It would just be so much neater. So anyway, this is how I got my antlers on, and now that I have them glued down, we are just going to decorate. I've got some little things that I had already in my arsenal, my little stash rather, of craft supplies. So I'm going to use these little bells, and I'm going to tie it to its neck, and I got a little microfiber scarf that I'm also going to wrap around its neck. This is a Christmas pick from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to tear it apart and put those little pines around its neck, because I felt like the bells just was kind of plain by itself. And then I'm going to use the other portion of that pick, which is the pine cone. I'm going to use it for its tail because I think it is super cute. I love the way that looks. Now, if you have not yet clicked that subscribe button to join us here at Hannah Watkins TV, then I invite you to go ahead and take a moment and click that subscribe button right now. You can find it down in the right hand corner of this video and down below in the description, above the description box. And you guys, this is the reveal of my rustic glam Dollar Tree. All supplies are from the Dollar Tree little reindeer. I think it is super cute and very creative. You guys let me know what you think. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for your prayers. Thank you so much for your support. I love you all. Thank you. I hope you come back to watch many more videos, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed weekend. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.